Definitely don't paint me like one of your French girls. So, this come today. UPS dude was here. Stopped in front of my house, and I'm like, I know you got something nice for me. So, I've been waiting on this. I didn't honestly think that it would come through. But, like I said before, I love being wrong. Sometimes. Okay. Woo. Traction boards by Bore Off-Road. Hopefully y'all can see that. And it's got little traction thingies. A place for your jack. They're definitely going to love the way I talk about stuff. You know, we got little traction thingies here. Nah. So I guess I need to buy a high lift jack, because that's what that's for. And we're going to put these on the mud truck. These are pretty freaking cool. I'll tell you what, we've needed these a few times. Heck yeah. Opens up more. Oh, it's got 2 zippers. Like, what? So, how long do y'all think the case is going to last? I'm probably going to see if we can build a rack or something to some sort of mount to mount them on the truck. I don't know exactly where yet. I got a lot of stuff I want to do. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 4-wheelers. 1 side-by-side. I got 3 4-wheelers in the garage, so it's a good problem to have, though. It really is. So, big thank you to Bore Off-Road for sending these. Y'all need to check them out. I'll put the link in the y'all need to check them out. I'll put the link in the description below, and there's definitely a couple of their products that I'm going to buy and try out, and so y'all be on the lookout for that. But we're definitely going to put these to the test. I definitely want to run winches front and rear, and they do have some, I think they're 13,000 pound winches. I think they got 9,000 or 13 or 12.5 or something like that. And so we're probably going to get 1, if not 2 of those, and I think I'm going to run a 3,500 pound, no, they're 4,500 pound on the Brute. So anyways, like I said before, big thank you to Bore Off-Road. Check them out. Number 9. I kind of forgot about this thing, but we're probably not going to work on it. 10, if you count Mr. Scrap 4-wheeler. We're keeping the lawnmower, though. Oh, yeah. So we got 2.5 gallons of come out of that bottom end, which was in this. See? She looks a little bit weird, don't she? I always look weird with that. I mean, you've literally got, without this hose here, a little bitty tube, little bitty tube, little bitty tube, little bitty, that's it. That is all that holds the front and the rear of the 4-wheeler together. That's pretty insane, isn't it? So I got this interesting phone call yesterday. Dude that wants to solve all my problems. Sorry, dude, I'm not going gay. Anyway, so anyways, no, a potential investor, employer, partner. He doesn't care to what capacity. All that he knows and has expressed is that he wants to work with me. Dang neighborhood kids riding 4-wheelers down the street. So, you know, I like to think I do good work. and I don't have a lot of really good tools and stuff, imagine what I could do with good tools. With CNC machine, better welders, better ways to cut my metal. It's just like a tube bender. I mean, a rolly bender thing. I mean, it's just like it's all these tools. Imagine what I could do with a shop. Let's get us out of this garage. Let's get a shop. There goes the kid again. He stopped. We're talking about you. You might as well come say hi. That hurt. 3 hours later, Dalton leaves. No, it wasn't that bad. The downside of taking on a... I hear the mailman now. I'm waiting on parts. The downside on taking on a financial backer, investor, whatever, is then you can't tell people that you fully did it on your... Really? That you fully did it, by yourself. And you're not gonna get 100% of the profit because you've got to pay that investment back. The upside to taking on a financial investor, partner, backer, whatever, is you're gonna get there so much quicker. You're gonna have access to funds and tools that you just don't have. And so I mean, it's kind of like slow and steady, or let's get there and let's potentially make so much more and do so much more and just faster work, better work, easier work because you got better tools. So it's just like, I still don't know what I fully want. Nothing against anybody. It's just like, I don't know. This is the second time somebody's inquired about being an investor, and this dude come at me pretty hard, so I don't know, we'll see. All I do know is I'm gonna get exactly where I get to, whether it's driving a truck in the next couple months or if I'm still doing exactly what I'm doing. Regardless, it's where I'm supposed to be, hopefully. So let me know what y'all think. Would y'all take an investor? Would you partner up with someone? Or would you keep doing it by yourself? Yeah, let me know what y'all would do. So, I would really appreciate y'all's input. Thank you. In case anyone was wondering, no, the mailman did not bring my parts.